Hello everyone. My name is Teacher Beldy. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about self-introduction video. Some of you might feel nervous doing your self-introduction video, but I'm telling you now, there's nothing to worry about it. There is no reason to be nervous. Just make it simple. Be yourself and just enjoy doing it. And to help you with your self-intro video, I'm going to share with you these tips. Before tayo gumawa ng self-introduction video, we have to think kung ano yung dapat nating i-include sa ating video introduction. So first, greetings. Dapat meron tayong greetings. Dapat yung motivating na greetings, yung energetic, para ma-convince natin yung student to continue watching our video. Don't worry, later I will share with you how I made my own self-intro video. Next, we need to include our nickname or our first name. After that, you may tell them where you live, kung saan tayong country nanggaling. That's also very important. And don't forget to let the students know why you love teaching English. That's very important. And let them know what you like, what you love to do. So it's so simple. It's very simple. Don't make your self-intro complicated. Simple. Be yourself and just enjoy doing it. Kasi kung makikita nila na it's very simple and the teacher is very energetic and motivating, yung students will take your class. You will get lots of students. So let's get started. Hello kids! My name is Teacher Belle. I'm from the Philippines. I love kids. I love teaching English because teaching English is very interesting. I love dancing. I love singing. And I love to see you in my class. So see you!